hubby got two shoes. Maybe they got wrong.
I hope I like them.
Huh? You try now.
Right now?
Mm.
I have to chop firewood.
Is it down there?
Oh, for goodness sakes.
Well, if you don't like it,
Both come from Amazon, because that's got Amazon on it. Otherwise, they wouldn't both be in the same bag.
So my hubby is opening now the box. I don't know what is inside.
Oh, it's a shoe.
It's a shoes. Did you order too?
I ordered them twice. I ordered the shoes twice. It's a shoe.
Oh, you ordered. You told me you ordered one. You ordered. And you said, "Oh, I didn't order." And I said, "Oh, why you didn't order?" So I want you to get another one.
Exactly right.
Oh my God! You have two shoes.
Brooks and Donald and Brooks. Oh, I don't order two different kinds of them.
Huh?
There's two different kinds.
What did you order first?
The Adrenaline and GT and the Ghost.
When did you do order?
Well, I did order. I don't think I ordered it because I looked and I didn't see it. Hold on.
I want to see it. Show it to me. Oh, that's the one you ordered on Sunday.
Two different colors.
Now you have extra shoes. Come closer to me.
One bit. Now I still have to buy shoes for a couple years.
Is it the same price? You show me to me.
They're two different. They're both the same size. Yeah.
Really? Which one is beautiful?
I don't know.
Is it the same price?
This one or this one?
Oh, that's the one I like, the blue one.
You like this one?
Oh, you didn't remember you
I
ordered.
think this. I thought I didn't order them. Oh, go ahead.
My hubby got two shoes. Maybe they got wrong.
I hope I like them.
Huh? You try now.
Right now,
Mm.
I have to chop firewood.
Is it down there?
Oh, for goodness sakes.
Well, if you don't like it, you can return.
Oh, no, I'm not going to return.
I like the blue one. That's the one That's the one we ordered last Sunday.
A little bit different because they have this for running. So it's
It's so sexy. Yeah, it's perfect. Oh, that's pretty. See.
Right.
How about the blue one? The same fit from your shoes.
It's just a shoe.
How about the spike?
How about the what?
The spike, the button.
It's like, what about it? Yeah, what about it? It's the same thing.
That's nice. You have extra now.
Well, I don't like it.
You don't like it?
It's hard. It's not cushiony like my other one. That's probably good though.
Is it? It's not the all the same. Well, the spike is good.
I just spent $200 on shoes.
Huh?
Over the weekend.
Huh?
I said I just spent $200 on shoes over the weekend.
That's okay. This one lasts longer. It's nice.
This isn't the right size. Oh yeah, it's called the Ghost 11.
What do you call adrenaline? I like the blue one.
Oh, this one's a lot lighter. This one's really light.
I think they have different company.
No, they're both Brooks.
No, they came from other different.
Two different places.
Which one you like it? I like the blue one. That's the one we ordered.
Okay, so we'll save this for messing up.
So that's all you got today. So for our shoes, blue and the gray one.
Joy's happy because she wants me to have shoes, more shoes. She keeps saying, you need more shoes, you need more pants.